Basa. Asan ang horse? Horse. Wow, very good horse. Nasaan ang cow? Cow. Moo. Cow, nasaan? Where? Wow, very good. Where is the dog? Dog. Where is the dog? Dog. Oh. Oh. Where is the duck? Duck. Where? Yun. Very good. Where is the dog? Dog. Dog. Where is the dog? Where is the cat? Cat. Meow, meow. Where is the cat? There. Oh. Where is the chicken? Chicken. Yun. Where is the sheep? Sheep. There is sheep. Oh. Stand up naman. Stand up. Mag-ABC muna tayo. Stand up, baby. Stand up, Ayman. Ayun. A. Yun o. Nasa taas. Ayun o. A. Ayun o. A. Dali. A. Dali. Tayo. Tayo na. A. And A. Phonics. 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 Phonics time. Ayan o. A. Phonics muna ikaw doon. A. B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, W, ikaw nga, W, X, Y, ay, si Ayman ayaw, X, Y, W, sabihin mo nga W, sabihin mo nga mama, sabihin mo mama, A, galing-galing mong magbasa dun sa kay Dr. Cruz. Ang galing-galing mong magbasa ng mga nandun, di ba?